Can you guess which premium project we are heading towards?
गुड मॉर्निंग, दिस इज रितु फ्रॉम ट्रांसपेरेंट डील्स और आज हम आपको लेके आए हैं वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग डेवलपर DLF के नए प्रोजेक्ट DLF द आर्बर पे, जो कि है सेक्टर 63 गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड पे। 3 years ago, DLF The Arbour made a history by selling out just in few days. Today, in 2026, the construction is advancing rapidly. So if you have missed the chance at launch, this is your second exclusive chance to own an address that defines Gurugram's elite skyline. What makes DLF The Arbour so special? Spread across 25 acres, it's a low-density masterpiece featuring just 5 towers. Every single 4 BHK, that is spanning roughly 3950 square feet of super area and 2250 square feet of carpet area, is designed for ultra-luxury living.
तो जब हम बात करते हैं अल्ट्रा लग्जरी की, तो DLF आपको देता है 2 apartments per core, and for these 2 apartments you get 3 high-speed dedicated lifts per core. In total you get 9 lifts for residents only and additional 2 lifts for servants only per tower. So in a whole you get 11 lifts per tower. What an luxury it is. In this 4 BHK luxury apartment, you get floor to ceiling height 11.15 feet and 2 decks, each 9.8 feet deep, with panoramic views of beautiful Aravallis. When we talk about privacy, there is no common wall between 2 apartments, and the distance between 2 towers is 30 meters. There is no high-rise building around it, and you get 85% of open space in this project. So you can imagine the openness around your apartment. और DLF में आपको मिलती हैं 3 car parkings per apartment with EV station, which is very futuristic approach. And for these 1137 apartments, DLF gives you access to what is arguably the largest clubhouse on the golf course extension road with multi-level security system. People chose DLF The Arbour not just for its ultra-luxury towers, but for its surrounding blueprints. Here is the ultimate luxury master stock at DLF The Arbour. The surrounding land has been officially logged and demarcated for premium institutional use. This means zero future high-rise competition, zero skyline blocking, and zero commercial kiosks. Nestled in Gurgaon's ultimate power corridor, DLF The Arbour is surrounded by iconic landmarks like Trump Tower, Hilton, Worldmark, M3M Route 65, AIPL Business Club. And in this building, you will find many renowned companies like Deloitte, British Airways, Kalkil Foods, Milliman India, and so many. And not only this, DLF The Arbour brings together a global dream team, landscape and architectural design by WATG, famed creators of Atlantis the Palm and the Disneyland Hotel in Paris, and many more, and the structural engineering by Thornton Thomas D, the masterminds behind the iconic Shanghai Tower, and many more.
For ARBOURs, you don't have to wait for years for another next launch. We have premium resale units across multiple towers for you. While the project launched around 17,000 per square feet initially, that makes around 7.06 crores to 7.68 crores, the market has matured significantly. Depending on whether you choose inner facing or outer facing units, floors, prices currently range from 10 crores to 13 crores and upwards. This is your chance to secure a Reading 4 BHK in an iconic DLF property without compromising on premium quality. For those of you who bought this property at the launch 3 years ago, this is the perfect time to cash in on incredible equity. As early investors are seeing substantial premiums with the limited supply of large format luxury homes on the Golf Course Extension Road, your property's value has skyrocketed. If you are looking to liquidate, rebalance your portfolio or upgrade, we have a pool of active qualified buyers waiting for your unit. So whether you want to buy 4 BHK or exit from this with maximum profit, the right time to act is now. If you have any further queries, do contact us on the numbers given below.